at my mom's boyfriend's house, and today I'm showing you what a good YouTube squishy package you like, and what a bad squishy package should look like. So let's get started. So, guys, I ordered some squishies, and I ordered, like, most of them are big. There's only like one small. So, yeah. Okay, guys, this is my invoice. My invoice right here. And it says Rainbow Hello Kitty donut, unicorn squishy, a tooth squishy, a steam bun, a mango, and this is extra. So that's what they put on my invoice. Just gonna fold that back up and show you guys the invoice. The invoice is squishes. So the first thing I roll out is my hot steam bun. It's pink, no defects at all. And she said these would have no defects at all, so perfect. And yeah, and then next is my Hello Kitty donut, Rainbow Hello Kitty donut. Here's the tag. Bad lighting, guys, I'm so sorry. And my tooth, I made it understand what the extra is. She said it's really good. Next, the unicorn. The mango has no messes at all. And then the extra, guys, look at the extra. It's awesome, guys. Like, goals. Now, the bad one. Hey, guys, I'm Agnew, and today, I just got my squishy package. It has amazing squishies in there. And my invoice. All it says is I got a Hello Kitty donut in packaging. So they're all in packaging. And then a hot steam bun in packaging. Tooth in packaging, mango in packaging, unicorn in packaging, and like the squirrel in a bun in packaging. And then an extra, which I have no clue what that could be. So yeah, let's just get into it. Okay. First thing I grab out is my hot steam bun. Awesome, like no I need to get you guys new lights. Like, guys, do you see this defect? Look at that defect. And it doesn't even have a packaging. Pretty soft and pretty fluorescent. Okay, that was not good at all. And she said she just bought them. She said it sounds so. Oh, my Hello Kitty donut. Looks fine, but something rude. I'll show you guys in a minute. The big thing is right here. She left the price tag on. It says $9.99, and she made this $20. I didn't contact her on that. Next, I pull out, my most exciting. So I'm not so rising, guys. Look at that! What the heck is that? Okay. Fails tooth. Do you guys see that? Okay. I know you're like, that's not that bad, but it's supposed to be in packaging and not packaging. All these supposed to be in packaging. It's just not good. Oh, next is this. What the heck did she put on my squishy? I don't know what that is. Okay. Looks fine. It's so hard. Okay. Last squishy and then extra, which might be a squishy. I'm so excited about this. Ow! Like, not even still rising. Come on! No. What's the extra? Okay, here's the extra. Is she kidding? She gave me napkins as an extra. Napkins! Who the heck would give you napkins as an extra? Now I showed you a good Scrooge package and the best Scrooge package. That is time. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.